Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to qualify and convert leads efficiently in Lightning Experience Salesforce. This process is essential for moving prospects through your sales pipeline and turning them into actionable accounts and opportunities. Let's jump right in. First, navigate to the app launcher by clicking the grid icon in the top left corner of your screen. From there, select Leads to open your Leads tab. This is where all your prospect information lives before conversion. Once you're in the leads section, search for or locate the specific lead record you want to qualify and convert. Click on the lead's name from the list to open their full record. This gives you access to all the details you've collected about this prospect. Now look at the top right of the lead record page and click the Convert button. This is where the magic happens, transforming your lead into a full-fledged customer record within Salesforce. A Convert lead window will pop up, presenting you with several important options. First, decide whether to create a new account or link this lead to an existing account in your system. This flexibility ensures you don't create duplicate records if this lead belongs to a company you're already working with. Next, choose whether to create a new contact or link to an existing contact. Again, this prevents duplication and keeps your database clean and organized. You'll also have the option to create a new opportunity if you want to track a potential sale. Enter an opportunity name here. If this lead doesn't warrant an opportunity just yet, or if you want to link to an existing one, you can adjust accordingly. Before finalizing, confirm or update the converted status and verify the record owner. This ensures the right team member is responsible for following up on this newly converted lead. Once everything looks correct, click the Convert button at the bottom of the window to complete the conversion process. Here's what happens next. Salesforce automatically creates related account, contact, and opportunity records based on your selections. These records are immediately searchable and ready for your next sales steps, allowing your team to move forward without missing a beat. You've now streamlined your lead conversion process, ensuring qualified prospects move smoothly into your sales pipeline. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.